Daily current affairs. 1. Tourism Minister inaugurated a tourist facilitation center in Kerala under Prashad scheme. When was Prashad scheme launched? 2015. 2. The Manila-based Asian Development Bank sanctioned a loan of how much amount to Meghalaya to upgrade the state's power distribution network? $132.8 million. 3. ISRO is all set to launch an Earth observation satellite and customer satellites of 3 other countries. The customer satellites will be launched in agreement with which of the following? Newspace India Ltd. 4. India's public broadcaster Prasar Bharati signed an MoU with Bhaskaracharya National Institute for Space Applications and Geoinformatics to launch how many education TV channels? 51. 5. India recently signed an MoU with which of the following country for cooperation in the field of health and medicine? Israel. 6. Which of the following became the first company in the Asia Pacific to receive PCI security certification for deploying this technology? Digit Secure. 7. Who was recently awarded the Prof. A. N. Bhaduri Memorial Lecture Award 2020? Dr. Susinta Kar. 8. When is World Tsunami Awareness Day observed? November 5th. 9. The Reserve Bank of India was set up under the recommendations of which of the following commissions? Hilton Young Commission. 10. Neeraj Antani has created history by becoming the first Indian American to be elected to the Ohio State Senate. In which year was Antani elected to the Ohio House of Representatives? 2014. 11. Satish Prasad Singh passed away in November 2020. He was the former CM of which state? Bihar. 12. Which country's President Alassane Ouattara has won a controversial third term in office in an election boycotted by the opposition? Ivory Coast. 13. Which bank has approved $132.8 million United States dollars loan to improve and upgrade the power distribution network in Meghalaya? ADB. 14. Bal Sahitya Parishad organized by Konkani Bhashsa Mandal Goa has commenced virtually. Who among the following inaugurated it? Arun Kamal. 15. Which of the following organized a 3-day policy discourse titled Panorama, Envisioning Film, Media and Entertainment Policy for Maharashtra in November 2020? Maharashtra Film, Stage and Cultural Development Corporation Limited. 16. In which state the Education Department has launched a toll-free tele-education helpline number for government school students? Assam. 17. The navies of Bangladesh and which of the following countries have launched the Cooperation Afloat Readiness and Training Bangladesh 2020 in November 2020? USA. 18. Who has launched Nurturing Neighborhoods Challenge in November 2022? Hardeep Singh Puri. 19. Which company has tied up with SBI Card to launch co-branded credit cards? Paytm. 20. Which of the following banks has entered into an agreement with Care Health Insurance Company for health insurance products as corporate agent? O Bank. For more information, subscribe to this channel.